Hello, my name is Elliot Cassidy, and in this video I'd like to walk through the solution to question 3, Morse Code, of the 2004 British Informatics Olympiad. If you haven't already, please pause now to review the problem statement shown on screen. To begin solving this, the first step is to create a lookup table that maps each of the 26 English letters to their corresponding Morse code string. This will allow us to encode any word into Morse code without spaces. The core of the problem is determining how many different unique messages with the same number of letters as the input could have produced a Morse string. We can solve this using a recursive backtracking approach. The algorithm works by traversing the Morse string from left to right. At each position, we consider all possible segments of the next 1, 2, 3, or 4 characters, since all valid Morse code letters fall within this range. The problem states that 4 combinations of the dots and dashes are invalid. Therefore, it is important to check that the segment is a valid Morse letter and not one of these. Each time we find the valid segment, we recursively process the remainder of the string. Our goal is to find a way to segment the entire string using exactly the same number of chunks as there are letters in the original message. A base case for our recursion is when the number of chunks we have used exceeds this limit, allowing us to prune that path early. Another base case is when the Morse string is empty, with the correct number of letters, which is counted as one valid interpretation. Whilst recursive solutions can sometimes be inefficient, the problem constraints ensure that this approach is feasible. The plaintext string can only be up to 10 characters long, and the Morse string length is correspondingly limited. Now that you grasp the core concepts behind solving this problem, I encourage you to attempt implementing a solution to this problem yourself. It's an excellent way to solidify your understanding. Afterwards, you may find it helpful to compare your solution against my annotated solutions available in the GitHub repository linked in the description below. If you found my video valuable, I would appreciate it if you could leave a like. And if you'd be interested in more content like this in the future, please do consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.